Welcome back to the Forestry Tech channel. We've spent quite a bit of time together, so why not hit that like button and subscribe to catch all our latest videos. What's in store for today's video, risk takers? Let's dive in. Tata Hitachi's excavator is shoveling burning hot coal straight into the truck. It's ridiculously hot, no doubt. Respect to the operators who have to deal with that insane heat every day.
Go down, man, go down. You can't pull it out like that. You can't pull it out like that.
Jeez, is it me or does it look like he could have go inside the pallet more to get some better leverage? The way that tree tilted at the last second, pure suspense. Perfect. That tractor just showed us how to break the laws of physics and still keep the crops in check. Farming just got a whole lot cooler. Oh no, the rock looks like a giant skull, and the wheel loader has done a great job handling it. Holy cow! The X-Pen just flew through like nothing could stop it. Unexpected drama on the site. A Komatsu 930E got stuck in a wild position while unloading. But surprise! A cat excavator swooped in, moved the rocks, and voila, all fixed. My heart's racing, watching that Ural power through the ice. It's like watching a beast fight the elements. Ever watched a container truck battle the steep, winding roads of Crimea? It's a thrilling sight. Each turn, a pulse-racing challenge that tests its limits. Goodness gracious! Oh no. That uphill battle with the truck was like watching someone try to do a tightrope walk on a mountain. Every second felt like an eternity.
Hey, look ahead, look ahead.
Some people will do anything to turn heads. Lifting a luxury car with a forklift? That's a whole new level of dangerous.
Go forward, Jared. Yeah.
Ooh-ho! The F-150 demonstrates its exceptional towing capability as it successfully pulls the truck out of the snow, proving its power and reliability in even the most challenging weather conditions.
Hey, got the semi unstuck.
Is this Matt's golden ticket to a full recovery? Because if so, it's like we just stumbled upon a secret weapon. A joke gone wrong. The mighty Kamaz finally got defeated by its own dump bed. Don't let confidence blind your logic. The Kraz truck halted mid-climb, its engine rumbling like a caged beast. Despite the heavy load and steep incline, it gripped the rugged terrain with unmatched strength. Looks like a simple job, but loading a bulldozer onto a truck can be a real headache. Wow, the whole operation went as harmonizing as an Italian opera. Bravissimo Italia. Looks like this tractor has hit its limit. No more progress for it, oh man. How cool is that? A sand pit just to toss vehicles in and practice getting them out. Can you imagine the level of skill involved? And with the M1070A1's CTIS and terrain modes, it's got everything needed for the job. Boom! Every time I see these machines in action, my heart races. Can you imagine? A fire erupted spontaneously at an open pit coal mine. Thankfully, water sprayers and excavators were rushed in to battle the flames and prevent a catastrophe. This tractor is definitely cool, but it's lacking the power takeoff shaft needed for full functionality with different attachments. When a machine turns the impossible into routine, those barriers didn't stand a chance against that excavator. Skill level, unreal. Oh, it looks like the owner of that tractor is going to shell out quite a bit of money for repairs. I thought it was game over when that Cat 777D got bogged down in the mud. But then they pull off a rescue that's more like a well-executed military operation. That 12-meter lake didn't stand a chance. Incredible. Wow, playing in the snow with a TV-21 tractor? That's taking winter fun to a whole new level. What a sight to behold! Oh my God, that truck looked like it was about to collapse under the weight. Which heavy machine do you think did this?
Y hay un carro atrapado aquí.
Just like that, the raging flood hit, and the 500-kilo truck was carried away as if it were a toy.
Esto se suscitó, Alan.
Wowzers! The Komatsu excavator effortlessly lifts a massive ton-heavy rock onto the truck with ease. The mud's like a trap, man. But those guys, they didn't just escape it, they conquered it. That bulldozer's free thanks to their mad skills. The Hyundai excavator's precision in dismantling the streetlight is impressive. It's a far cry from the usual destruction I witness. This is controlled power at its finest. And there it is, the big twist. The truck thought it could handle that heavy load, but gravity had other ideas. A total roller coaster moment. Behold the road gods. No way! This bridge, built with unyielding strength over decades.
Damien cutting a tree down for his neighbor Gary. Run!
Well, at least some of the tree is loaded in the truck. Man, that garbage truck just lost its load like it was spilling secrets. Hold your breath. That Komatsu 200 is gliding down like it's on ice skates. Oh my God! Komatsu down. Huh. It's a relief that nobody was hurt. Yikes! Anyone know a good roofer? Goodness. In a split second, the crane buckled under the weight.
How much you pay for the new guy?
With seconds to spare, the operator jumped clear. When the house decides to drop a surprise on the Komatsu. Plot twist. Here comes the Amcador. 9531-03. riding high on the Ural 4320 frame. This snow shooter is a jaw-dropper.
Oh my
Gosh, that bobcat pulled off the wildest stunt, then gave its operator a surprise dirt facial. Tisk tisk. That truck's lifting like a transformer. Anyone got a seatbelt? I've never seen anything like this. Vityaz doesn't just drive, it conquers. Swamps? It laughs in their face. Lakes? It's a walk in the park. This thing's unstoppable. Maybe the crane's arrow should have been elevated further to maximize the swing force, but the operator has done a good job anyway. Hooray!